All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me again. So just gonna speak a little bit about some remarks made by Stephen Gerrard about Leon Bailey, and I was quite pleased in regards to the remarks that he made. And when I look at some of the remarks made by Reggae Boyz fans, Jamaicans, football fans in general, it goes to show the difference in mindset of how we view the player in particular. So I'll be getting to that quite soon. But let's get to the administrative aspect of the YouTube, where I've already informed you guys that my channel has been shadow banned by YouTube. This is due to repetitive flagging and reporting of the videos. I don't know why someone would want to do that, because it's not like I'm actually I'm not saying anything racist, sexist, or anything like that. So I'm quite surprised that and I've seen it, especially lives. I've seen it. So my channel got shadow banned. But the only way you guys can help me from doing out of this slum in regards to the ban is by you guys hitting that like button and also sharing the content. That is the only way the channel can come out of that slum in regards to the shadow ban. And I really don't like it, because most of my videos are not going out to the viewers and subscribers. So that is the reason for the ban. But let's get into the details. People have here lamenting long enough. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, people. As you know, Military Guna TV. Let's get with the show. Let's go. Come here. All right, so that's a short piece of it. As don't forget, people, that the subscribe button must be hit. You have to forget, because remember that I'm on the road to 50k. So let's get to the meat of the matter. Let me put up the article. Is that really? I took it from the article because the article is actually on Aston Villa News today. Credible, really credible by journalists that supports the club, Aston Villa. Really credible. You guys can go and check that out as well. So we're gonna run through a few of the aspects of what has been said. So the question that was asked, Leon Bailey. This was asked directly to Stephen Gerrard in two separate interviews. I'll be highlighting both of them. So let's talk about the first one. He said, what Leon Bailey can bring, and what Leon Bailey can bring to Aston Villa in 2022. This is what Gerrard said. Speed, 1v1 ability to beat an opponent. When Leon comes back, we want him to think like a creator and a scorer. You have seen it in flashes. So basically, he's telling us that aspect of Leon Bailey's game, as fans, we have only seen flashes of it. As a coach, he has seen significantly more of that aspect of his game, and he wants him to do a lot more of it. As he said, as you can see right there, he said that he wants him to think like a creator and a scorer. Think. So maybe get the frame of mind about the dribbling aspect out of his game and said, okay, before it looks a shine, get that dribbling mindset out of your head. We want you to get the ball in the back of the net, or providing that, because we know he loves to dribble, bring the ball to the byline and beat a one or two player. But maybe he wants him to do more in regards to in front of the goal, the scoring aspect and the creative aspect, because we know he has that talent. Now, let's get to the other piece. He said, I remember he came off the bench against Everton. I remember at that part in time, Stephen Gerrard was not the coach. I was watching the game on TV, and he lifted the stadium up. He scored a wonderful goal. We all remember that time period, and that is when he actually hit the ball so hard. he ended up back right into the injury on the injury bed. Basically the hospital FC, where is that consistently. But obviously, since watching that, since then, he has taken a liking to Leon Bailey and like what he does. And now, since that he's coaching Leon Bailey, has really and truly see his full potential. Let's get into the rest of what he said. Everyone is waiting for him. The owners, the board, the staff, The players were all waiting for Leon to really burst onto the scene, stay healthy, and find his best level. Reggae Boyz fans, Jamaica, Aston Villa fans, well, we already said that. All are waiting on that spectacular player to really, really burst on scene. We have seen glimpses, we have seen what he can do, as you said earlier. But definitely, we are waiting on that spectacular Leon Bailey to really, really hit out. And this is what he said also. We have signed a talent who has produced at his previous clubs, and he has shown flashes consistently, using that word. Leon's focus has to be on staying fit, getting himself in the best physical condition, and allowing his talent to flourish. And we have been saying that for a while now in regards to him getting his best fitness level. And I've spoken about that on numerous occasions, even on this channel, about Leon Bailey finding that right level of fitness. And we know what he would do when he hit that peak of his fitness. We definitely know. Let's go further. He's a fantastic player, and we need to see more of it. The Jamaican International Bailey has struggled to keep fit. This is a part of the article. This is just a part of the article. This is actually the closing part. But he said, the last part, what he said was, he's a fantastic player and we need to see more of it. So the rest of it would just be like media writing stuff. Then now he went on and said, we need to keep him fit and healthy from now until the end of the season because he's a big player. He's a big investment for the club. He should feel like a new signing for all of us because he is a big talent. Now, we can clearly remember even time back in the days when famous journalists would have said that Leon Bailey is an ordinary player. And it's so funny that many of us, even Reggae Boy fans, who said that Leon Bailey is an ordinary player, but yet still a player of Gerrard quality, a coach of Gerrard quality would come out openly and speak about how, and gloss over Leon Bailey and said how well and how talented he is. And you can clearly see that how extremely talented Leon Bailey is. And it's food for thought. It's really, really food for thought to say that we haven't played, most of the persons that are saying that he's ordinary haven't played at that level, don't even have the experience as a footballer at that level to say he's an ordinary player, to even identify a true and genuine ordinary player, because you can't use Lionel Messi and Ronaldo to judge players. You cannot use those players to judge players. Those players are anomalies. They are quite so often once in every 15 years, once in every 10 years, you see players like those. I don't even think you might see players like those ever again. These guys are special. So because of these two players, most persons are white brushed. Is it white brush? They're vastly brushed over with the same paintbrush because of these two players. If you're not playing like them, if you're not performing like them, it seems as if you're not ready or you're not good enough. That is just how it seems. But anyways, definitely that is what Steven Gerrard has to say about Leon Bailey. Guys, please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. I go so far over here and I write, I said there, hit the subscribe button, people, and help me come out of the shadow ban. And the only way that can happen is by you guys hitting that like button and that subscribe button if you haven't do so as yet, because I'm not saying that it's difficult, but it's really, really disheartening, and I really don't know why someone would really want to report me that much and that often for me to reach the level of getting shadow banned by YouTube. So they say that they're observing my page because of numerous reports and flagging that I've got. That is the reason why I said I don't understand, because I don't even use expletive, because I'm Christian. I don't use expletive. Things that are said on my channel are not that controversial, and controversy is on anywhere right across the world. But no sexist remarks, no feminist remarks, no racism remarks. So I don't know. But anyways, it has to be someone who is consistently doing our set of people who's consistently doing. But I don't know. But really and truly, just hit the like button, people. Really, really smash the like button, people, and that is the only way it can help me. I really appreciate you guys sitting around and you're watching this video again and actually sticking around until the entirety of the video. I really appreciate it, guys. Until next time, people, Military Guna TV people, ensure that you enjoy the rest of your day, people. It has been really a good one. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time, I am out.